Hello, guys. I hope you all are doing amazing. Today, I'm here to talk on something which we all need, which helps us pushing ourselves, and that is motivation. So, what I'm going to talk on motivation, I'm going to talk about self motivation, the most powerful motivation which can help you chase your dreams even on the darkest days. Trust me, nothing is more powerful than helping yourself to get motivated by yourself. You can watch 1,000 videos of motivation and stuff, but the fire that self motivation brings, nothing can bring. Nothing can help you evolve or push yourself more harder than self motivation. I've always been a big believer of self motivation. Even I have been watching so many videos throughout my journey. But when I sit back, talk to myself, I try to pump myself up for putting in that extra yard. That is the time where I feel the most powerful. And that is why today I'm here to share my views on self motivation. Like, how can you keep yourself self motivated all the times, especially in the times which are critical, which are not so good, which test you, which test your patience, which test your character. I want to talk or I want to discuss on that stuff. How can you keep yourself motivated? If you want to keep yourself motivated, especially in the time of adversities, hard days, you know what you need to have? You need to have the clarity of what you want to do in life. Trust me, this is the biggest factor which is missing in today's time. We don't have that clarity. We need to sit back, we need to understand, we need to have that clarity what we want to do, what we want to chase. If you get that clarity, trust me, no day will be such where you will not be motivated to chase that dream, chase that goal. You will always have that extra ounce of energy to push your body. No matter if you are feeling down, if you are physically hurted, if you are mentally hurted, if you are heartbroken, nothing will bother you. Trust me. Try to find that clarity. That what you need to do in life, what you want to do in life. What is that one thing which you are chasing? What are the dreams? Where is your bucket list? Try, sit, prepare that bucket list. Have that clarity. You will never be lacking that self motivation. Trust me, you will never. I have always tried to keep myself self motivated. And the only thing which helped me stay self motivated is the clarity which I had. So even on the days where I was down, completely out, shattered by the things going around in my life, I was still self motivated to chase that dream. No doubt. Mentally, I was totally broken. Physically, I didn't have the strength. There were such days. But I had that clarity. I had that energy. I had that urge in me to chase my dream, to give in that extra yard for chasing that dream. And I always believed in one thing, which I always do with myself, which I'll wish even if you can try. And that is, I try to work on the hardest or the darkest days of my life. Because I know if I can work in a situation where I am not mentally ready, where I am disturbed or where I am broken, I can work on any day. So rather than on the days where I am very comfortable, I'll prefer a day where I'm like not in my senses. I'll prefer that day for putting in that extra yard so that it can develop my character. It will help me to work on the simplest of the days. It will not be a problem for me because if I can work in hard times, trust me, I can work on any days. So this is something, try, test your body, push your body. What holds us back is the comfort zone. We just don't want to step out of that, and that is not the way. You need to push yourself. You need to always challenge yourself. Don't compete with the people around you. I don't believe in that. But one thing which I believe in is compete with yourself every day, every damn day. Try to bring a bit of that increase in curve or increase in graph in your performance every day. Do a test check by yourself. Compete with yourself. Become a better version of yourself. Evolve. Keep evolving. Keep learning. There's so much to learn. Enjoy the life. But at the same time, learn. Keep learning. Learning is the most important thing. The darkest days of your life, the tough times, will give you the biggest lessons in your life. That is the fact. That is the fact. It depends on you, whether you want to chase it or whether you don't want. And you know what? Why I prefer to work on the tough days? The one biggest reason is when you are going through tough time, you have too much of energy. You can use that energy in bursting out your anger. You can use your energy to fight with the people around you. Or if you want to make the most out of that energy, you can use that energy and chase your dreams. Even God will put you in such conditions where He would want to see whether you deserve it or not. What is the amount of greed you carry for the goals or the dreams which you are chasing? show the grit, show the determination, be dedicated, be disciplined. You will need to sacrifice so many things, but trust me, at the end of the journey, that sacrifice will be worth it. No doubt about that. Keep yourself self-motivated. Find that purpose why you are working every day. Find that purpose, and that work which you are doing, it will be fun to do. Even if you are not enjoying, find that purpose. Find that clarity. List down the things which you want to do in life, and the energy bars, it will raise. Don't depend on the people around you to motivate, because it is a very conditional motivation. People might see you, they might get motivated from you, but they will not have the guts, or they will not prefer confessing it to you. In mind, they will be getting themselves motivated just by seeing you, just by seeing the amount of work you are putting in. But they will not everyone will come and say, oh, you are doing a good job, I am getting motivated by you. And trust me, there are days where you just need that one line, that one push, that one word, hey mate, you are doing an amazing job. But you will not get when you need it. So that is the reason, try putting in extra yard. There will be days where you will feel like, let's give up, it's not working. But trust me, that is the day where you need to perform, and you need to just unleash the beast, where you need to ensure that you are becoming the best, you are performing the best. And that is what will keep you moving ahead in life, will keep you motivated. I know it's very important that people come and motivate you, but there are days where you are down and out, where you need someone to just say a one line, and you can have so much of energy you can't even imagine. But it rarely happens. Better you do that by yourself. Pat the back, push yourself, say yourself that you are doing an amazing job. Say to yourself that at least you have the balls, you have the guts to take the steps. Many a times, people around you, closed ones, they might not be in a position to express. They might express when they will feel like expressing. Sometimes it can be a case of jealousy, like he's doing so much, I'm not able to do anything. But that's okay, that's a part of life. You can keep yourself motivated. You can pat your back. You can appreciate yourself. You can show that belief in yourself. If you have that self-belief, and if you have that power in you to motivate yourself, you can do anything in life. Till then, see ya. Thank you guys. Do like if you like the video. If you feel like it should reach out to the people around you, do share. And if you feel like listening more to me, do subscribe this channel and stay tuned for more such energetic and powerful videos. Till then, keep smiling. Hashtag stay positive, stay energetic. Be fearless, okay? And try to do that activity of mentioning the clarity which you want in life, the purpose why you are here. If you do that, do mention in the comments. Thank you.